Hi everyone, it's Math with AUP. Today our topic pick of the day is fractions and decimals. It comprises two parts. Part 1, I have written 7 questions. 7 or more questions are remaining. If I find some more questions that are relevant to that topic, pertinent to that topic, and they are worthy to solve, they have some standard, I am going to include into them. Without wasting or indulging in any sort of lengthy discussion, making life simpler, let's get down to work. Let's jot down to work. Our question number 1 is very tiny and base meeting. A French class has 12 boys and 18 girls. A French class has 12 boys and 18 girls. Boys are what fraction of the class? Boys are what fraction of the class? How many boys in a French class? Boys. In order to make your life simpler, there are 12 boys. Girls, I'm stretching the tiny topic in order to give you a good basic, good foundation. To lay foundation good and then to raise some bricks on it to make a good building. Okay, boys 12, girls are 18. What fraction of boys to whole class? Means we are interested in the fraction of boys to class. Boys to class. As boys are 12, while class comprises boys and girls. Boys and girls, class B plus G, boys and girls, 12, 12 plus 18, 12 over 30. Applying table of 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 6 times 5 is 30. 2 6 are 12, 6 12, 2 over 5. Boys are 2 upon 5 of the fraction. Boys are 2 upon 5 of the fraction. Let's verify. Let's verify. Total class. Class is the sum of boys and girls. 12 plus 18, that's 30. Now we are interested in boys to verify. Boys. Total 30. Boys are 2 upon 5 of the class. 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. Applying table of 5 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. So we have verified as well. The ratio of the boys to whole class is 2 ratio 5. The ratio of boys to whole class is 2 ratio 5. The ratio of boys to whole class is 2 ratio 5. While the ratio of ratio of boys to girls is boys are 12, 18, 2 over 3. While the ratio of boys to girls, 2 ratio 3. Ratio of boys to girls, that is 2 ratio 3. Okay. Moving towards next question. A good one. A tiny sort of jolt is possible while solving or attempting this, but think through it. Try to try to shed some clear light on that. For how many integers a between 30 and 40? For how many integers a between 30 and 40? Is it true that 5 over a, 8 over a and 13 over a are in lowest terms? 5 over a between 30 and 40. There are some a integers. How many integers are possible? Where 5 over a, 8 over a and 13 over a are in lowest form, are in lowest terms. Lowest terms, or one can write they are lowest terms, or they are co-prime. 5 and a are co-prime, 8 and a are co-prime, 13 and a are co-prime. Some writer used to prefer relatively prime. Relatively prime. They are equivalent things. 5 over A, 8 over A, 13 over A are in lowest terms. Co-prime are relatively prime, means 5 and the pick of A, 5 and the pick of A between 30 and 40, they have nothing in common except 1. They have nothing in common except 1. Similarly, 8 over A, 8 over A, 8 and A have nothing in common only but 1, but 1. Similarly, 13 and A have nothing in common but 1, but 1. Look at this, between 30 and 40, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Between 30 and 40, I have written all numbers. I have written all numbers. I can write 31. I can pick 31. It's RA. It's RA because 31 is a prime number. 31 is a prime number. If I write 5 over 31, if I write 5 over 31, they have nothing in common. 5 in 31, they cannot be reduced further. They cannot be reduced further. They cannot be reduced further like as this 2 over 6. They can be reduced further to 1 over 3. 5 over 31, they must be in lowest terms. Co-prime or relatively prime means they have nothing in common except 1. That's true. So our first pick A is our 31. A is our 31. While 32 cannot be taken. While 32 cannot be taken. Why? Because I write 32 here. 8 over 32. 4 time table is applicable 1 over 4. It can be reduced. It can be reduced. 8 and 32, they are not related prime. They have 8 as a common factor. They have 8 as a common factor. That's why we have to discard this 32. Similarly, what about 33? Yes, it's our pick of the day. We can also pick this because 33 and 5 nothing in common. 33 and 5 they have nothing in common except 1. Common means common factor. They have no common factor except 1. Similarly, 33 and 8 they have no common factor except 1. Good. What about 33 and 13? They have no common factor. So 33 is our pick. That's also our A. What about 34? Can't be. It can't be. It ruled out. Why? Because 34 and 8 they have common factor 2. 8 and 34 they have common factor 2. 34 and 8 they have common factor 2. 8 is divided by 2 as well as 34 is divisible by 2. 34 is divisible by 2. They have common factor of 2. So it is not our A. It's not our A. What about this? 35. We have to discard 35 as well because 35 and 5 they have common factor 5. They have common factor 5. 35 and 5 they have common factor 5. So it is not our pick of the day. We have to exclude this one. What about 36? 36 also ruled out because 8 and 36 they have common factor of 4 because 8 and 36 they have common factor 2 as well as 4. 8 and 36 they have common factor of 2 as well as 4. 4 to the 8, 4 9 the 36. 2 for the 8, 2 18 the 36. They have common factor 2 as well as 4. That's why we have to discard this as well. What about 37? Accept this, swikar this, accept this. It's something wonderful because 37 is the prime. Prime has no common factor with anyone but 1. 5 and 37 they have common factor 1. 8 and 37 they have common factor 1. Similarly 13 and 37 they have common factor 1. So it's RE. What about 36? To be ruled out. Why? Because 38 and 8 they have common factor 2. 8 and 38 has common factor 2. 2 19 times 38, 2 4 times 8. 2 is a common factor, that's why I discard this. What about 39? 39 to be discarded. Why? 13 and 39 they have common factor of 13. 39 is divisible by 13. 39 is divisible by 13. 39 is divisible by 13. If there is 13, if I write instead of a 39, table is applicable. Table is, if it can be reduced further, it's not RE. It's not RE. We are asked to find between 30 and 40, 5 over A, 8 over A, 13 over A. They must be in lowest term. in lowest term means they are co-prime, relatively prime means they have no common factor but 1. They have no common factor but 1. These are the numbers 31, 33 and 37. Total numbers are 3. They are 31, 33 as well as 37. These are the 3 numbers to be replaced here. 5 over 31, nothing is common. 5 over 33, nothing is common except 1. 537, nothing is common except 1. 8 over 31, nothing is common. 8 over 33, nothing is common. 8 over 37, nothing is common. 13 over 31, nothing is common. 13 over 33, nothing is common. 13 over 33, 37, nothing is common. So these are our 3 numbers. These are the values of n. We are interested how many integers, how many integers. So 3 integers are possible. 3 integers, 3 integers, 3 integers. In that case, our answer is 3. For how many integers? How many? How many? How many integers? A, between 30 and 40. Between, that's why I have excluded 30 as well as 40. Look at this. I have taken 31 to 39. I have taken 31 to 39. 5 over A, 8 over A, 13 over A, they must be in lowest term, means co-prime or relatively prime. They have nothing in common but 1. They have nothing in common but 1. Okay, cool. So there are 3 numbers between 30 and 40. They are relative prime to 5, 8 and 13. Moving towards our next question. It's a simple one. It's a simple one. It reads as 1 over 4 is the average arithmetic mean. 1 over 4 is the average arithmetic mean, is the average or arithmetic mean of 1 over 5 and what number? Average is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is the average of average or arithmetic mean of 1 over 5. 1 over 5 and what number? And what number? Suppose x is our number. X is our number. You stuck to the definition of arithmetic mean. Sum over total numbers is equal to average or arithmetic mean. Sum divided by the total numbers, number of quantities involved is equal to average. Sum we have no idea, but we have assumed that it's 1 over 5 and x. 1 over 5 plus x. How many numbers? 1 over 5 and x. 2 numbers divided by 2 is equal to average. Average is given to us. That's 1 over 4. We are asked to find if the average of, if average is 1 over 4 of 1 over 5 and what number? And what number? 1 over 4 is the average of 1 upon 5 and what number? 1 upon 4 is the average of 1 upon 5 and what number? That's our A, that's our B. 1 over 5 plus x, sum. 1 over 5 plus x, the numbers. Average is 1 over 4, solve for x. From division to multiplication, shift to here. Here remains 1 over 5 plus x is 2 times 1 over 4. Applying table of 2. We have 1 over 5 plus x is equal to 1 over 2. We are interested in finding x. Shift 1 over 5 over there. We have x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5. LCM. Just multiply the denominators. 5 here, 1 5 the 5, 1 to the 2. So x is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 over 10. 3 over 10. So our number x is 3 over 10. 3 over 10. One can verify by finding the LCM. 1 over 5 plus 3 over 10. LCM is 10. Here comes 2. Here comes 3. What is the LCM? 5 times table of 2. Here 5 3 the 15. 5 3 the what I have? 1 over 5 and 3 over 10. 3 over 10 my x. 1 over 5 plus 3 over 10. 10 is LCM. Here comes 2 and here comes nothing. So 5 over 10, it is our 1 over 2. What went wrong? Sum 1 over 4 is the average of 1 upon 4 is the average of 1 over 5 and what number? It's suppose 3 over 10. What's our LCM? 10 is our LCM here. 10, 2, 3 same. 2 plus 3. I am going to have only 10. I am going to have only 10. 5 over 10 means 1 over 2. What went wrong? Let's see. Let me check again. 1 over 5. It will become 1 over 2. Here. LCM 2 5 the 10. 2 5 the 10. 5 minus 2. That's 3 over 10. Value of x is 3 over 10. Okay. Divided by 2 is missing here. That is sum. Sum must be divided by 2. Sum must be divided by 2. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. It will become 1 over 4. It will become 1 over 4. We are good with it. That the sum must be divided by 2. I have forgotten divided by 2. A plus b over 2. A plus b over 2. 2 plus 3 over 10. It will become 5 over 10 as well as 1 over 2 here. Applying table of whatever it is. Let me verify again for you. A is 1 upon 5. One number is 1 upon 5 and we have arrived at the result 3 over 10. Let's verify its average is 1 over 4. Easily, let me verify this. Sum, two numbers are involved. Sum 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 10 divided by 2. LCM is 10. Here it will become 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 5 over 10. Convert this division into multiplication 1 over 2. Apply table of 2. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. It will become 1 over 4. It will become 1 over 4. We are good with it. We are good with it. Okay. Moving towards next question. 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. Suppose x is the number. X is the number, or one can write the required number. X is the number. 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. What is 6 upon 11 of that number? Find 6 upon 11 of that number. Solve for x simply. X is equal to 22 times 11 divided by 3. Divided by 3. That is our required number. That is our required number. Become lazy and lethargic. Don't multiply because 6 and 11 they are here. 6 and 11. 11 and 11 can be cancelled out as well as 3. It can be reduced further. So we are asked, that is our required x. We are asked to find it 6 upon 11. 6 upon 11 of the number. 6 upon 11 of x. 6 upon 11 our number is 22 times 11 over 3. Cancelled out. 2 times 22. It will become 44. It will become 44. Our answer is 44 in that case. Our answer is 44 in that case. Or one can solve this within a single line if somebody has acumen or rational of doing something direct or having a good grasp over word problems or fraction. Really very easy. How to negotiate this? 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. 3 upon 11 of a number is 22. We are asked to find 6 upon 11 of that number. We are asked to find 6 upon 11 of that number. 6 upon 11. Look at this. 11 is there. 6. Here is 3. If we can multiply simply 2, it will become 3 times 2, 6. 6 over 11 times the number is going to be 44. Just multiply 2. 3 upon 11x. Multiply 2 on both sides. 2 3 the 6. 6 over 11 is equal to 44. So 6 upon 11 of that number is 44. 6 upon 11 of that number is 44. Or one can take the traditional path. Solve for x. Solve for x. X is going to be 22 times 11 over 3. That is the required number. We are asked to find its 6 upon 11 of the number. 6 upon 11 of the number multiply 6 upon 11 both sides, 6 upon 11 times 22 times 11 over 3, 11 11 cancelled out, 11 11 only, sorry, 11 11 cancelled out, 1 3 3 2 3 6, 2 times 20, so 6 upon 11 of the number is going to be 6 upon 11 of the number is going to be 2 times 20, 2, that's 40, so that's 44. Whatever path you want to take, just take. Moving towards next, it's simple one. But in order to compare fractions, they must have same unit. They must have same unit. What fractional part of a week is 98 hours? 98 hours is what part of a week? Week. Here 98 hours. 98 hours. Here it is a week. Here it is a week. Their unit must be same. Their unit must be same in order to utilize their ratio of, or they must be compatible. They must be compatible. In that case, they are not compatible. Hours, week, they are not compatible. Make them compatible. 98 week means 7 days. Each day comprises 24 hours. 98 week means 7 days. Each day comprises 24 hours. Now apply table of 7. 1 times 7, 2 carry 28. 4 7 are 28. Still table of 2 is applicable. 7 times and here 12. 7 upon 12 of the week is 98 hours. 7 upon 12 of a week is 98 hours in that case. Means what fractional part of a week is 98 hours? 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12 of a week is going to be 98 hours. Look at this. 90. We have to find the fraction of 98 hours and a week. They are not compatible. They are not parallel. They are not parallel, not compatible. Make them compatible. Make them same. 98 hours, week, 7 days. 7 days. Furthermore, still I need a day in hours. Each day comprises 24 hours. 7 times 24. 7 times 24. Then simplify. Reduce this. 98 divided by 7 times 24. 1 7 the 7, 2 carry, 4 7 the 28. It is 14 over 24. Apply table of 2 still. 7 over 12. 7 over 12. And that is 7 over 12 of a week. 7 over 12 of a week is equal to 98 hours. Is equal to 98 hours. Okay, that's our question number 5. Now 6. 5 upon 8 of, let me erase this first, then read. Okay. 5 upon 8 of 24 is equal to 15 upon 7 of what number? 5 upon 8 of 24. 5 upon 8 of 24. Of stands for multiplication. 5 over 8 of 24, that is 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Now we are asked to find is equal to 15 upon 7 of what number? 15 upon 7 of what number is equal to 15? Here 5 upon 8 of 24. 5 upon 8 of 24 is our 15. 5 upon 8 of 24 is our 15. Of stands for multiplication, I have mentioned, and that's equal to 15. Then we have to find this 15 is what part of 15 upon 7? This 15 is what part of 15 upon 7? This 15 is what part of 15? 15 upon 7 of what number? 15 upon 7 of what number? Suppose it is x, we have already mentioned here. Okay, x. 15 upon 17 of x is equal to 15. Solve for x. We have 15 times 7 over 15. 7 in multiplication, 15 in division. 15 15 cancel. That is 7. That is 7. Means 15 upon 7 of 7 is equal to 5. 15. 15 upon 7 of 7 is equal to our number 15. 15 upon 7 of 7 is equal to 15. Cancelled out. We have 15 is equal to 15. We have 15 is equal to 15. First, and 5 upon 8 of 24. 5 upon 8 of means multiply 5 upon 8 of 24 is 8 3 the 24. 5 times 3 is 15. 15. Then we have to find out this 15 is 15 upon 7 of what number? This 15 is 15 upon 7 of what number? 15 upon 7 of means multiply 15 upon 7 of x is equal to 15. 15 upon 7 of x is equal to 15. Then solve for x. It is our 7. Means 15 upon 7 of 7 is equal to 15. 15 upon 7 of 7 is equal to 15. That is. Moving towards final question. To me, it is the man of the match of this frame. Question number 7. It is man of the match of this frame. That is, though in appearance it's a tiny one, but a troublemaker. Yes, which of the following is less than 5 over 9? 5 over 9, and we have given some options A, B, C, D, E, as usual 5 options. Number 1 is 5 over 8. Number B is 21 over 36. C is 25 over 45. D is 55 over 100. And the E option is in fraction itself 0.565, 0.565, 0.565, 0.565. Now they are all proper fractions because numerator is less than denominator, numerator is less than denominator, numerator is less than denominator, and so on. They are all proper fraction up to D. They are proper fraction up to D. Let me tell you a hack how to hunt which one is greater or smaller. How to hunt which one is greater or smaller. Let me share a good tip with you. Take the difference of these two numbers. 9 minus 5, 4. Take the difference of these two numbers, numerator and denominator. Take the difference of numerator and denominator. Denominator minus numerator. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now divide the numerator with this 5, this difference. So 5 divided by 4. 1 time, 1/4 of 4. Subtract, I have 1. Introduce 0. Introduce here a point. 2/4 the 8. Subtract, I have 2. Introduce 0. 4/5 the 20. So it is, according to my tip, approximately the fraction. The value of this is, according to my hack, that is not the value of this one. That is not the value of 5 over 9 divided by this one. No, take the difference of these two, 9 minus 5, whatever the result is, just divide the numerator with that difference. I have 1.25 in that case. I have 1.25 in that case. 1.25 in that case. I am not writing equal, not to mingle the concepts. 5 over 9, I have approximated as, not approximated, my hack, the difference of numerator and denominator divided by numerator is 1.25. What about this same strategy? 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, that's 3. Divide 5 with 3. Divide 5 with 3. 5, 3. 1, 3 the 3. Subtract 2, 0. Introduce point here. 6, 3 the 18. 6 times. 6, 3 the 18. 2. Again 0. 6, 3 the 18. Minus, and so on. That is 1.66. So the decimal corresponding to this is 1.66. Corresponding to this is 1.25. Corresponding. What about this 21 over 36? 21 over 36. Let me elaborate this as well. Difference of 36 and 21. 5, 1, 15. 21 divided by 15. 21 divided by 15. 1 time. 1 15 the 15. 2 15 the 30. It is going to be higher. Minus, I have 6. point, there is 0. 4 times 15, 4 times 15 is our 60. So corresponding to this, I am going to have 1.4, the magical figure decimal result, 25 over 45, 25 over 45, their difference, 45 minus 25, that's 2, that's 20, that's 20. Divide the numerator by this difference, 25 divided by 2. Apply table 1 times, 120 the 20, subtract, I am going to have 5, introduce 0, let me write here point, 2 times 20 is 40, again subtract 1, 0, another 0, 5 times 20, 5 times 20 is 100, that's my 1.25. So corresponding to this one, I am going to have 1.25. What about this? What about this? The difference of 100 and 55, that's our 45. So divide 55 by 45. 55, 45. 1 times 45. Take double. Subtract. I have 1 0. Introduce a point. Another 0. 45 2 times is our 90. 2 times is our 90. Subtract. I am going to have 1 0. Another 0. Same. 45 2 times. 45 2 times is going to be 90. Then subtract and so on. I am going to have 1.2222. So corresponding to this is 1.222. This is in already decimal form. So this is not equal to this one. Look at this. This is 1.25. This is 1.25. This is 1.66. It is greater than. It is greater. So does this quantity. It is greater to this. This one is greater to 1.25. 1.66 is greater than 1.25. According to my hack, this is greater than this. So this is our not option. We are asked to find lesser number, lesser than 5 upon 9, lesser than 5 upon 9. What about this 1.4? 1.4 is greater than 1.25. According to my hack, it's also greater than 21 upon 36. 21 over 36 is greater than 5 over 19. 5 over 9. 21 over 36 is greater than 5 over 9. So that is not our result. What about this? This is also 1.25. According to my hack, 25 over 45 is greater than 5 over 9. According to my hack, 25 over 45 is greater than 5 over 9. So that is not the case. That is 0.566. It is my normal hack. Normal. I haven't checked this. What about this? 55 over 100. That is 1.22. That is mine 1.22. There is 1.25. Yes, 55 over 100 is less than 5 over 9. 55 over 100 is less than 5 over 9. I haven't taken this into calculation because it is 1.5 something, 0.5, 0.5. It is less than 0.5 something. So according to my hack, 55 over 100 is less than 5 over 9. Let me elaborate this thing once again to you in order to give you some familiarity with this. Okay, 5 over 9. Take the difference of these quantities. Take the difference of these quantities in order to decide which one is lesser and greater in case of proper fraction. In proper fraction, take the difference of 5 over 9. That's 9 minus 5, minus 4. Divide with the numerator. 5 divided by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract 1 0, introduce point. 2 4 the 8. Subtract 2 0. 4 5 the 20. So it is, according to my hack, its value is 1.25. 1.25. What about this? 5 over 8. 5 over 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 over 5 is 3. So divide 5 by 3. 1 3 the 3. Subtract. I am going to have 2. Introduce 0.63 the 18. Again 2 0. 63 the 18. It is 1.6666. Okay. Similarly, we have brought down this calculation to R power, that is 1.66, that is mine. 1.66 belong to this 5 over 8, 5 over 8, this is A option, that's mine 1.66. What about this 21 over 36? Still I have to manage. 21 over 36, 36 minus 21 is my 21, that's 5, that's 115. So 21 is divided by 15 one times, subtract, I have 6, introduce 0.415, that's 60, that is 1.4 corresponding to this. What about 25 and 45? Difference is 20. So 25 is divided by 20 one times, 20 subtract 5, there is 0, introduce point, 2 times 20 is our 40, subtract 1, 0, introduce another 0. 5 times 20 is 100. So corresponding to this, mine hack is 1.25. Similarly, difference of 155 is 45. 55 divided by 41 times 45, 1, 0, 1, introduce another 0, point, 2 times 45 is 90, subtract 1, 0, another 0, 2 times 45 is 90, and so on. That's 1.22. Now look at this. According to my hack, it's 1.66, it's 1.44, it's 1.25, that is 1.22, 1.22, and it is itself, I have mentioned somewhere, it is mine 1 point something. Let me do it again. 5 divided by 4 one times, 4, 10.2 times, subtract 4, that is the mine 1.25. It is our 1.25, I have mentioned here. It's 1.25, 1.66, 1.44, 1.25. Look at this. It is clearly the lesser decimal, According to my hack, according to my concept, it is the lesser concept. It is the lesser decimal. So corresponding to this lesser decimal is 55 over 100, 55 over 100. This number is less than 5 over 9. This number is less than 5 over 9. This number is less than 5 over 9. So 55 over 100 is less than 5 over 9. 5 over 9. Next, I have a good question on that. How to write fractions, proper fractions like this in ascending and descending order. Proper fractions like this, how to convert them, how to find their ascending order or descending order, means how to decide whether it is the lesser or greater within no time, just applying a little hack like this. Take the difference, denominator minus numerator, whatever the result is, divide with numerator, then decide according to this decimal which one is greater, which one is lesser, and it is workable. It's my tiny effort to you guys for part number 1. Part number 2 is coming. Keep your fingers crossed. It's all by itself. Next.